Alright, we have charcoal for the barbecue, 2 liters of soda, picnic blankets. I can't wait till everyone starts arriving for my very first 4th of July barbecue picnic, mama. Ah, Lego Duplo family, the first one's here.
Oh, hi, King. Thanks for having us. You remember my husband, the zookeeper, my oldest son, the jockey, down at the stables, and my youngest son who wears overalls. We bought a strawberry Lego cake for the barbecue picnic.
I'm a carnivore. I eat meat, baby.
Cookie Monster. So glad you could make it.
Me wouldn't miss it. Me brought a salad to share. Just kidding. Eat a cookie.
Life is a highway. I wanna ride it.
Lightning McQueen, Doc Hudson. Hi, King. We brought corn on the cob. I wanted to bring some tractor steaks, but all I had was yellow Play-Doh.
Well, we're over 1,000 pounds.
How you doing, Frozen Sisters and Kristoff?
Straight from the fjords of Arendelle, we brought Play-Doh spaghetti.
I'm a Cryolophosaurus, man.
Oh, Rescue Bots. Glad you could make it.
We have brought Energon-infused hot wings.
Sounds delicious. Fluttershy, welcome to my 4th of July barbecue and picnic.
My boyfriend Heatwave and I brought plums to share with everybody.
Thank you very much, Mama. Imaginext, guys. I wasn't sure you were gonna come.
I just got off work. I brought this pinky purpley stuff from my last job. You can see Caveman is overwhelmed because it smells so delicious.
I'm just gonna put that one right over here, Mama.
Is that evil Anna the frozen knockoff doll? Who invited her?
Everybody, stop!
Oh no, everybody. I forgot ice for the ice chest.
Why is everyone looking at me? Okay, fine.
Look, everyone, the fireworks are starting.